Today, we have made it to Oklahoma on our 30-day family road trip, and the kids go crazy at this Best Western Plus after a very long car ride. We have a budget of $10,000 for this trip. Keep watching to see if we'll be under budget or not, and subscribe to the final total. We're gonna stay at a Best Western Plus. We've never stayed at one of these before, so I have no clue what the hotel room's gonna be like. Yes.
What's the name?
Lane Forneran. So this is the hotel rooms. We are in this building right here because it's a kitchenette. And we have 2 nice beds, a TV. Oh, it's got a nice little kitchen, a good sized bathroom. All right, this will work. So this hotel has a swimming pool. So we're all in our swim stuff. You ready? Let's go swimming. Yeah. You like this pool? Yeah? So Mom was having trouble cooking the hamburgers, so she went and got some food. She moved all of our stuff, so we should thank Mama. So we switched rooms because Krista was trying to cook in the kitchenette, and the fire alarm kept going off.
And it was so loud, and the ceilings are so high.
Uh-huh.
I was like, no way I was gonna be able to cook hamburgers.
Yeah, yeah. So did you just throw out all that meat?
Threw out everything.
Yeah.
I mean, I had 2 patties cooked.
Uh-huh.
And 2 half cooked and all this raw meat, and I was like, well, I didn't even have any way to transport the cooked burgers.
Right.
So she told me we could switch rooms. I just went in there, got
Chunked everything, got our stuff.
I was gonna wash the dishes. I have nothing, literally nothing to wash dishes with.
Oh, right.
So anyway, I really hope she understood that like the room is not ready for somebody to walk into.
Yeah.
It's pretty clean, but anyway, and it smelled horrible in there because anyway.
Yeah, all the burgers.
As soon as I saw the kitchen and opened the cabinets, I should have just said,
no, it's not gonna work.
No.
Yeah.
Anyway, the girl at the front desk was super nice.
Yeah, she is nice. We ended up getting some food from what's this place called?
It's right in the parking lot. It's called Pub 54.
How is it?
It's pretty good. It's like a pretzel bun chicken sandwich.
Okay.
Yummy. Can I please try it?
So it was cheaper to buy you 2 hamburgers than it was to buy you a steak. So I literally just got $7-8 for a hamburger.
Oh wow.
So I just got you 2 hamburgers.
Yeah.
It was $8 for chicken sandwiches. It was nice. So
Yeah.
I gave you a small tip.
Okay. How much?
$50.18 with tip.
$50.18 with tip.
Oh, that's not bad.
No, not too bad. So we're gonna eat some dinner. Probably go to sleep because it's like 9 o'clock right now. We lost an hour through driving through time zones, so now we need to get to bed.
Hey guys, does this thing make the 3F? Was it fast? Filling? And friendly.
They were friendly.
Okay? I'll have.
Very filling too.
Yes.
I'm getting full.
Beckett, hey, how about you? Is the dinner good?
Mm-hmm.
He likes fries.
I see that.
This makes the 3F. Hey, Beckett, do you like the room?
Make a decision on when we leave.
Decide if we can.
Upgraded room.
In there, that's-
Upgraded room.
Good morning, guys. Let's go check out the Best Western Plus's breakfast. It's a hot breakfast and it's cooked to order, so hopefully it's pretty good.
Thank you.
So yummy?
Yeah.
Yeah? You like your Fruit Loops? And your cranberry juice. Is it yummy? Good. You got chocolate? Are you guys looking to stay at the Best Western Plus in Guyman, Oklahoma? We're on a road trip right now. This was a pit stop for us, and I gotta say, this really impressed me. You know, I think Best Western, and I think, it's probably not gonna be that great. But then I started noticing Best Western Plus. I don't know how long that's been a thing, and I am pleasantly surprised. All in all, I gotta say, this was a fantastic hotel to stay at if you're making a pit stop. Oh, I gotta say, the breakfast. So, I don't know if they do this all the time or if it's just because of COVID, but they do a made-to-order breakfast here. They have a lady cooking. She has her own like little room, her own little cooking area with 2 refrigerators, and she'll cook eggs for you, scrambled or over easy. She cooks bacon, she cooks sausage, and she cooks breakfast burritos, all made to order, piping hot, right? It's not like a buffet line or anything. They do have the buffet if you want to make your own waffles. They also have cereal, yogurt, and fruit, and all that good stuff that you usually see at a complimentary breakfast in a hotel. But this place, I was blown away by the made-to-order stuff. That was super duper awesome. Alrighty guys, we are leaving the Best Western Plus Hotel and we are going down to Dallas. So let's continue this road trip. We're going to meet up with some family. We're gonna have a barbecue and we're going to find our Airbnb that we're staying at. Let's go. We ready? Hi guys, we are stopping to get gas in Guyman, Oklahoma. Gas here is a lot cheaper than Colorado. It is only $2.78 a gallon. Let's see how much it's gonna be. Hopefully it's under 50 since it's cheaper here. All right, file that away. That was a lot better price. We're in Texas! Yay! Click that video to continue the adventure with us.